What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got the Hummer HV EV by New Bright. We're going to be doing some real world testing, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of No Further Service. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little brief montage of the New Bright Hummer HV EV. It's very capable. It just lacks the power to get over some of the humps as you saw. Going downhill, it's pretty fast. Coming uphill, not so much. Again, it is a beginner levels RC, so keep that in mind when you purchase it. Don't have too much expectations from it because it's just not that powerful. The batteries probably last about 10 to 15 minutes in between each charge, and USB charge it and you'll be ready to go. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I'm not going to run it too much because I told you guys that I will be giving this away to you guys once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So that's all the fun I'm going to have with it. I'm going to let you guys, or whoever the winner is of it, enjoy it some. So I'm going to put it up. Thank you for watching, and if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you have one, drop your comment in below about how you like it, upgrades, things of that nature. And until the next episode, y'all be easy. Peace.